Hello, this is going to be my reflection video. Question number 1. The importance of your voice as a future teacher is an important factor with communicating with students. As a future teacher, I believe that my voice must be assertive and firm when communicating to students, or else they won't be taking me seriously, and and otherwise they won't believe on my teaching methods. Question number 2. The importance of your student's voice. I think it's very important and vital for student success to have their own saying on their own education. Question number 3. Things that you have learned not only regarding the content, but about yourself. I've learned about myself is that I need more communication skills and how to be more open-minded on new teaching strategy skills. Question number 4. How you can or plan to use this knowledge as you move forward with your efforts to become a teacher. I plan to use this knowledge that I learned from EHD 50 is that learning objectives could be difficult, but if you take the time and effort to work on it, you'll be successful in any planning to construct and create lesson plans and learning objectives. And the strategies that we learn about classroom behavior and ethic, I will use on my own classroom in the future. Something that you would like to share overall. This experience was very difficult for me and somewhat interesting. I have never experienced a class where most of the time we as students were the teachers in class, and most of the time the professor just gave us questions overall, and we as students had to learn. We had to learn and teach ourselves about the teaching methods, strategies, and learning objectives, because he had high expectations for us. I learned new skills on how to use technology, on how to create videos and upload videos to YouTube, and how to do virtual videos. And overall, I find this experience very different and helpful. I never done a class like this before. I have done business. I'm a business major, and I've done various different things compared to this class, and I find it more interesting this class compared to my classes in business, because overall I enjoyed it. I would like to thank the teacher, the professor, for giving us great and insight on how the teaching profession in Fresno County and overall the mindset of a teacher